Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable dark mode on Opera Mini. If you browse often at night or prefer a darker interface to reduce eye strain, this video is definitely for you. Let's get started. First, open the Opera Mini app on your mobile device. Look at the bottom right corner and tap the Opera logo. A small menu will appear. From that menu, tap on the settings icon. Inside the settings, find and select Personalization. Under Personalization, tap on Style. Here, you will see multiple style options. Simply select Dark to enable dark mode instantly. Now, your Opera Mini browser will have a sleek, dark look, perfect for night browsing. You can always switch back to the light mode by following the same steps if you change your mind. That's all for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.